Good afternoon. Welcome to eRAD's Tips and Tricks. This is our March edition of 2023. I'm Susanna Morris, Application Specialist. Today we're going to go over burning and importing CDs. The first thing you want is to make sure you've got the desktop apps downloaded on the workstation that you are exporting from, and that you also have the permissions to copy and forward studies. We're going to select the checkbox beside the study that we want to forward and select the paper airplane, which is the icon for forward study. We'll be met with a few options here. We want to select Create DICOM Media because we're forwarding those images to another media. I'm going to select USB connected device. I'm using my laptop. You'll want to send these uncompressed and you'll want to add the viewer. You can also save these settings as a default so you don't have to make the selection each and every time. You'll finish off this by selecting the check mark in the lower right-hand corner, and that's your forward function. It's sending this task, it's a background task, which are the images being routed to where you will ultimately download them. We'll migrate up to the background task. It shows 100%. We're going to select download. After you download that, you'll be shown a zip file that's being created, and you'll want to open those up, and then you'll have your images. You'll want to remember to always go back and dismiss your background tasks. They load on top of each other, and there's no discernible information available, like patient information or study that you're working with, to keep track of where you are in your line or order of tasks that you're performing. To select media import, we're going to go to the inbox at the top of our PACS menu. And then let's try that one more time. I just want to see what that does. And we will just select media import. That will open up your download if that's where you've stored them. It will open up the file location. You will select the file or the study that you want to import. I'll select that one from my downloads folder. And we're given a text box, so it tells us who our patient is, the study date, the number of images included in this, what modality, and if possible, the description of the study. We will select upload at this point, and that will upload those images and populate that study and all of that information directly onto your work list.